Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And HP Victus 15 Wi-Fi disappear after Windows update. So you have to click first options, check the device manager. So click to start. After that, click to type device manager, and then find out the network. Extract, select the Wi-Fi. If it is coming yellow icon, so you have to click right click. If it is not showing in the network adapter, so you have to select this first, click to actions, and then click to scan hardware changes. Then it will come. Then select the wireless Wi-Fi VLAN and select to uninstall. Then click to uninstall it. Then it will remove again, and then again click to scan hardware changes. Okay, so it will come again, and then select the wireless VLAN. Click to property, and then power management. This is unchecked, and then click to OK, and then close it. Next guys, restart the Wi-Fi service. So click to start, type services, okay, and right click to run as administrator, and then press W. So scroll down, find out a WLAN auto config. This is Wi-Fi services. So double click. After that, click to, if it is stop, so click to start, and then select the automatic, then apply, and then OK. After that, select once again WLAN auto config, and then left hand side you can see restart options there. So click to restart. After that, it will restart it and then close it. Last is very important, perform the network reset. So click to start and then click to setting. After that, click to network and internet, and then click to advanced network setting. Then click to network reset, and then click to reset now. Okay, you have to just click to click to yes, and after that restart your system, and then please check your Wi-Fi it's working or not, and you have to connect like that. Okay, thank you.